In a lot of visual novels, you want the main character to be a blank slate, someone that the audience can, self-insert as. But you're not dealing with like an audience, you're dealing with a singular person. And when you're dealing with a singular person, you gotta get their pronouns right. Luckily, NPCKC's pronoun tool's already done all that work for you. It has a series of pronoun tools that can adjust your text for various pronouns and comes with some other neat features right in the box. Download it from the itch.io page linked below, and maybe consider donating, and you can open it like any other Ren'py game. In fact, it has its own little tutorial. Neat, huh? Love the parrot. The pronoun tool works by having you use call pronoun selection to bring up this menu that lets you select from a list of pronouns and then sets those as the default pronoun. To use this in practice, you just display the they form of the word like this. They, their, theirs, and it'll replace it with your selected pronoun. And you can add !C to capitalize it. And any words that become plural with a pronoun change get the plural form added to the end of the word for s, es, and is and are. And then for words that aren't covered here, you could put it inside of 0, 1, or 2 in brackets, like this. So if you were to have the title Lord, Lady, or Noble, you can set them up in a sequence, one after the other, and whichever pronoun you selected, it will just display that passage. How the pronoun tool operates behind the scene is it assigns a number to which pronoun the user established at the start. Then it has a series of different derivatives it can assign based on that. Up top is the classic they, them, theirs. Then below are simple verb conjugations you can add to the end of words. And it, looks like it's missing the conjugated form to be, he's, she's, and there. I could use the number brackets, but I kind of feel like this is something I'll use so often, I should kind of make my own tag for it. Luckily, this tool makes it insanely easy to add whatever tags you want. I'll just copy and paste this thing here, and then change this to he's, she's, and there, and change the title to there. A lot of these Ren'py labels have problems with apostrophes, so we'll just remove the apostrophe for this name here. Then add that to this set here at line 168. Then there's just one last section that needs to be added to here, right around lines 380 to 390. And there we go. We have the conjugated form created. Okay, but let's say you wanted to use custom pronouns like em or zim, or you're making a fan visual novel of Octavia Butler's Lilith's Brood series and you needed to have custom pronouns for the polyamorous alien species, the Uloi, who for some reason decided to go with its pronouns. If you're making this, you gotta tell me, okay? Up here at the default pronoun list, you're gonna wanna add it right around here, then add a form of it to all these pronouns as variables, then add it in this initialized Python bracket set, and then in config.custom text tags. Then down to pronoun selection so the user can select your pronoun, and finally add it to the config.tts filter tags right down here. So in addition to custom pronouns, this tool also has a couple more quality of life features. With this show pronouns tag in the character portrait, we can assign our custom set pronoun to a character and set pronouns for other characters too. And if we want to turn it off, there's a feature in the screens page that can do that for you. And hey, you can even change your main character's pronouns right from this menu whenever you want to. So NPCKC has not only made a comprehensive pronoun tool, but NPCKC has also made some amazing visual novels and some really cool looking interactive fiction. So be sure to check it out at the link below. And if you make something cool from the pronoun tool, let me hear about it. Mention it in the comments. Now, if you want to add some custom VO along with these custom pronouns, go ahead and check out my sound and audio video right over here. And if you want to give your character dialogue a little bit extra spice, check out my kinetic text tags video right over here. And thanks for cooking with me.